Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
Good news, everyone. The stock market just went on-chain. A project called xStocks has officially launched tokenized stocks on Solana, allowing users to trade real-world equities 24/7 for the first time with near zero fees and instant settlement. This was made possible through a collaboration with Raydium, Camino, and Byreal, bringing traditional assets to Solana DeFi. The day one listings include a powerful lineup: NVIDIA, Tesla, Meta, Amazon, Alphabet, Apple, Palantir, MicroStrategy, Microsoft, the S&P 500, and even names like Coca-Cola and McDonald's. No middlemen, no off hours, just direct exposure to blue-chip stocks with transaction fees as low as fractions of a cent. Sounds wild? Let me walk you through a real example using Jupiter for swapping and Raydium for liquidity farming. First, head to Jupiter Exchange and connect your USDC-funded Solana wallet. In this case, I swapped USDC for TSLAX, the tokenized version of Tesla stock. The total cost for that swap? Less than 0.00001 Sol. Here's the receipt from SolScan. I paid a massive 1/10 of a cent. Exactly 0.00114. Insane. Next, we go to Raydium, click on Liquidity, search for TSLAX, and deposit our freshly swapped tokens into the TSLAX to USDC liquidity pool. This specific pool already holds 643K in liquidity, and at the time of recording, it offers an APR of 73.43%. Now obviously, this APR will likely drop as more liquidity flows in. And don't forget the risks, like impermanent loss or that you might end up with a different ratio of TSLAX and USDC when exiting the pool. Always know what you're doing before chasing returns. But is this groundbreaking? I think it's definitely interesting. Tokenized stocks without KYC, permissionless, global, and the ability to earn yield on top of your stock exposure? That's something Wall Street doesn't offer you. Now everyone can participate, not just in Bitcoin or crypto, but in the US stock market, and they can do it from a phone or browser with just a few clicks. If you like this video, check out my other content on the crypto space, especially my daily Bitcoin technical analysis videos. I will continue updating you on these developments. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated.
And see you in the next one.